Welcome to this detailed tutorial on removing a duplicate homepage from your WordPress site. If you've noticed two homepages appearing on your website's navigation menu and you're not sure why, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through how to remove that extra homepage quickly and cleanly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the WordPress website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the login button. Click it to begin signing into your WordPress account. Next, choose your preferred login method. For most users, the easiest way is to continue with Google. After selecting this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts connected to your device. Pick the account you use to manage your WordPress site. This method keeps your login process both fast and secure using your Google credentials. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Link section. You'll see an option called Edit Site. Click on it. This will open the WordPress site editor, which lets you control the layout, design, and navigation of your site. After the editor loads, move your cursor to the header area. This is where your site's navigation menu is displayed. Double-click on the navigation menu to open the editing tools for that specific section. Now, on the right side of the editor, you'll notice a settings panel. Select the tab labeled Block. This area shows all the settings and options related to the currently selected menu block. In the block settings, you'll find a list of menu items. These are the links that appear in your navigation bar. Carefully scroll through them until you spot the duplicate homepage link. It should look almost identical to your main home link, which can be confusing for visitors. Once you've found the extra one, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots appear next to the link. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options. From the list that appears, choose Remove Home Link. And that's it. The duplicate homepage is now removed from your navigation menu. Before you close the editor, make sure to save your changes. Saving ensures that your edits are applied immediately and that you won't lose your progress. After saving, preview your site to confirm everything looks correct. You should now see just one clean homepage link in your navigation bar, making your website look more organized and professional. By following these steps, you've not only removed the extra homepage, but also gained a better understanding of how to manage your WordPress navigation menu using the built-in site editor. That's all for today's tutorial. If this video helped you clean up your WordPress site, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy WordPress tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly streamlined website.